All right, I know this brand is synonymous with the stilettos, but I picked up a couple of the flats. So I'm gonna unbox them here with you and give you my first impressions. Let's see the quality and my thoughts on them. If you're interested to see them, then just keep watching. Hi there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz, and today I have a double unboxing of some new Christian Louboutin flats that I picked up. So if you haven't seen what inspired this, one, I do like to shop high-end and low-end, and I recently did an Amazon haul of flats because I've really been getting into flats lately as I'm getting older. But really, they're great for women of all ages. I mean, I think everyone needs a few pair because sometimes you need those flats, and there's so many cute ones out that you don't have to have frumpy flats. But let's see how they fit and feel and all that other good stuff. Okay, and I'm interested to see how these fit because I did size up. Since I usually do size up in this brand because I do find that they run small. So it is nicely wrapped with some tissue paper and a shoe bag. Oh, these are wild. Ta-da! Look at that. Okay, so I saw these. They had the point toe with a cap toe. And then the studs, I think, give an edgy look. So I think these would be great with denim or even dresses. But the outside is a soft suede. The toe point is a regular leather. There is a little gap right there and in the back. So that's kind of nice. I think it might air it out. Of course, the signature red bottom. These are called the Duvetina Spikes Flat. In a Napa suede lining, and the color is Leche. I picked these up in a 39.5, so that would be a 9.5 US. And I would say it looks kind of pinky nude. It's a pretty color. I like it. Okay, so I actually love everything about these. So the fit is really, really good. I am so glad I went up that half a size. Absolutely needed. It fits just perfect. It is all leather, so I don't feel like it's breathable. It's not a mesh shoe, but I love the spikes. So they're not over assuming like you think they would be or like they are on the heels or even some of the sandals. I think for a classic flat like this, it just adds a little bit of an edge, a little bit something different. Just the overall style is really, really cute. If you've been considering picking up some luxury shoes, I would absolutely opt for a flat just because, you know, flats are so versatile. They can be dressed up, they can be dressed down. You know, if you have sneakers, those are always kind of a dressed down option. And if you have heels, those are usually a dressed up option. So a lot of times where I will splurge in a luxury shoe is something that I can wear with like everything. So shorts, pants, and dresses. And so, you know, flats, loafers, do that. And then I do it a little bit in boots as well. Great leather, the suede is beautiful, the spike detail is really cute, just all the details on it. And then of course the red bottom trademark is adorable. Really, really like that. So far these ones, really great find. Okay, the next pair I picked up are called Hot Chiquita Flat, patent birdie material. I don't know what that means. And then in black. So a classic, let's see. Okay, a dressier version. Okay, these were not packaged as good as the other ones, and they did come in different boxes from different areas. So a different store bought it, or a different store sent it. And I will tell you, I messed up one time on accident. When you order from those stores, they send stuff from different stores. So when you return, they want you to return it to the different stores. So you can't combine. Because one time I think I got like 4 or 5 things and it came from like 3 different stores. And I was like, that's crazy to send it to 3 different stores. So I put it all in one. They did figure it out, but I don't think they were happy about it, and that's pretty risky to do at these prices. So just be aware of that. They have a great return policy as long as everything's not used, but I don't like how you have to ship, like I have to keep track of the box that it came in, which actually I'm already confused on these two. But so far I love the pink one. So let's see about these. So they are a patent leather. They have these like scale finish, and of course the red bottoms, point toe, and a little heel. It does have this little cutout as well. So let's see how they feel on. Okay, here are the next pair. I would say they're classic. The size is great. So the half size, going up the half size in this is still holds true for me. And so that's what I would suggest, going a half size in. I would say the inside is curling in a bit more. It bugs me a little. So normally what I would do is wear like a sock the first few times I wore it to kind of break them in, which I hate doing. I almost don't do that anymore. But if you love the shoe, I think that the scalloped edge is really pretty. So if you need a really pretty elevated black flat, point toe is classic. So overall, I think these are really cute. All right, ladies, so two great choices. A super, super classic and like an edgy classic is what I would say. Really, you can't go wrong. Timeless, you know, memorable, notable, all the things. So if you are looking for a splurge, I would say these are both great. I would say both of these are not uncomfortable, but they're not they don't have any like added comfort benefits. So if that's a problem, support and things like that for you, you would probably definitely would want to put like a gel piece in there. I am just like in love with these ones. I'm totally going to start wearing these right away. And these are a classic. So these seem like more work shoes to me. But if you hate wearing heels, this would be a great dress shoe as well. All right, what a fun haul. This is why you have to check in everywhere. So if you haven't seen my Amazon flats haul, check that out, because literally I loved all of them. Spoiler alert. But there were a few issues with some, so you need to watch it. So I'm so glad that I checked the high-end spectrum as well. I am just thrilled, like highly thrilled with these. I think they are amazing, pretty much like my favorite flat probably. I hope that you found this enjoyable. Thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.